Hi, my name is Allison, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install the Brizy page builder to your WordPress site. To get started, you're going to go to Plugins and Add New. Then in the search bar, search for Brizy. And it should be the Brizy page builder. It's this one right here, so you can go ahead and click Install Now. And then once it's installed, you can go ahead and click Activate. Once it's activated, it's ready to go, so if you go into your pages and add new, you'll be given the option to edit with Brizy. So right here, I'm going to click Edit with Brizy, and then it's going to take me into the Brizy editor. Here, I can start building my page and add individual blocks, whether I want features, contacts, a CTA, just text, or something like that. Or I can go into layouts and add a full layout to my Brizy site. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media.